Okay, Jivan, so this SR already has a test plan over there. So I've added a menu here to for test results data entry. But I think I used the wrong menu because the menu disappeared, or I need to change the code, but this is not done yet. So these are the test items that is inside the SR. So SR ID is 1, and this origin table and origin ID you have captured that data, so I'm using that. So as you can see that no dynamic test entries are available. So to configure that, we need to know the origin table and the origin ID. So look at the table called the test configuration over here, and just to create the configuration, we need to put in the origin table name and the ID, what is the test result name, and any description, and test data type. So let's say we want to add a new one for maybe this one, safety, and then ID is 33. So let's go here and put, and the origin ID is 33. So maybe this one, enter the day of the week, some stuff here, and the test data type, it's a enum, so it can be seen in the dynamic test configuration. So we have string, decimal, upload, and table. So I'll put it as a string then. Okay, so this is how we configure it. So the test right now has nothing attached to it. So there's a method called the generate dynamic test. So this method will need to be called when it's ready for testing. So like you can put it maybe in the submit button or start the scheduling. So then only you call the method in the test handler, which is this one, generate capture test result for safety. So basically this will find the configuration that we have here and match it into the table. So the test result stores all the result. Right now we have nothing. So let's click on this button here, and so it will attach also. Now you see the test dynamically is added. So let's add some data. If it's a number, then it has to be, I mean the control will change slightly. Okay, so all these will actually be saved. So just call the save method, and it does the checking of the correct fields, I mean the correct ID, and pump it back into the test results table. So this one is tied to a test item. So if we look at the test item, okay, so the safety test item ID 1 here is for this question. So there's 4 of it will tie to here, and the configuration ID ties to the configuration table 1, 2, 3, 4. The result is the value that we enter just now. We enter Monday. So yeah, this is how it works out, basically the method. The safety test controller, we have the save method where it takes the ID of the radio SR and the entire form collection and pass it to the test handler. So the test handler, while saving itself, it will do the matching, and if you look at the code, you'll see definitely why is it doing that. So it just gets basically the form, the value and the ID, and save it to the column. Okay,